What's going on, fam? I'm back today with another video, and guess what I'm unveiling? Da, 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 da. I got some new X Marshal gear. How do I feel about X Marshal? Fuck X Marshal. I'm just messing with y'all. Honestly, it's a great brand. They sent me something that I've been wanting for a while, and before I unveil it, I want to just tell y'all my experience with them. Now, honestly, with X Marshal, the quality is ridiculous. I've gotten Hayabusa and Yokow gear, and it just compares so hard for a fraction of the price point on top of the discounts you get as well. It's already a third of what you get from like the normal brands, and then they add in discounts. Can't be beat. If you order something, make sure your address is accurate, because I've been having some delivery problems because my address, that's on me. That was on me. I fucked up, not them. So make sure your address is good, and if your address is good, you'll get your gear on time. Point is, I got my shit now. We're gonna unbox this shit, unwrap, because it didn't come in the box. We're gonna unbox this shit. I can't wait, y'all. Y'all gonna see motherfucking me. Woo, woo, woo. Look at that. I just like the way it comes in a little like zip thing. I've been really trying, baby. Oh, spit, Steven. Look at this. We got the company logo on that bitch. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh no. Ah!
This gets me off. Bust a nut. Roll over, go to sleep.
Look at that shit. Oh my God. They gonna see me at the motherfucking tournaments. I can't wait to put this shit on. Tell you something your granddaddy never told me. Look at that shit. Got my shit on a t-shirt, mama. I don't understand how long I've been waiting to get my stuff actually merchandised. A sick ass logo, I got a sick ass pic, and there's more to come. X Marshal, y'all did y'all motherfucking thing. If you're looking for custom gear, then go to xmarshal.com. If you're looking for decal already done shit, go to xmarshal.com. Did your boy up? Look at that. Look at that shit, and then look at the pants. Look at that.
You or do you not feel bonita?
I feel bonita.
Wonderful, because you look bonita.
Oh my God. They gonna know my motherfucking name. IBJJF tournament? Y'all better look out for this logo, but it ain't a game. I couldn't be happier with my product. It fits great. It feels amazing. I feel like I made my own superhero suit. This shit is crazy. If you want quality gear, go to xmarshal.com. Use my discount code BLURMON1051. They already have things at a fraction of the cost. It's like a third of what you'll pay for the regular stuff like Yamasaki and Yokow and shit like that. But if you use my discount code, you get an extra 30% off. So you're basically getting this shit for free. And this quality type shit for free, basically. I'm not saying it's free, because now you're gonna have to pay some shit. You're basically getting it. Look at that shit. Look at it. I want y'all to look one more time. Look at that shit. Look at it. Oh, it looks sexy.